All right, let's dive right into this. Welcome to today's Explainer, where we take raw data, articles, and digital artifacts and transform them into a clear visual journey. Today, we're looking at something, well, completely fascinating. We're doing a deep dive into the anatomy of a very specific and, frankly, kind of peculiar digital asset listed on a storefront called Elvanto Digital. On the surface, it's just a web page. But when we start peeling back the layers of this specific listing, it reveals an entire hidden economy of the modern internet. So we're going to unpack what this product actually is, who it's for, and the strange, somewhat surreal environment it lives in.
So here's our roadmap for today. We're going to cover the confusing product title, inside the Ultimate Bundle, the print-on-demand playbook, exploring Elvanto Digital, and finally pricing, promos, and reviews. Let's get to it.
Kicking things off with Section 1, the confusing product title. Seriously, what are we actually buying here?
So there's this immediate contradiction staring us right in the face. If you look at the top of the listing, the product is clearly labeled 300 Canva Ebook Template. Naturally, you think you're buying layouts for a business ebook, right? But the second you drop down to the actual product description, the text completely changes its tune. It proudly announces the Coloring Book's Ultimate Pack Bundle. This is just classic internet shopping chaos. It's this relatable, slightly chaotic confusion, where the SEO-optimized title seems completely detached from the actual bundle being sold just a few pixels beneath it.
Moving right along to Section 2, inside the Ultimate Bundle. Let's see what's actually in the box. Okay, look at this number, 10,000 plus. We really need to pause for a second and just visualize the sheer scale of this digital asset. We aren't talking about a short PDF or, a dozen quick sketches. This bundle claims to include over 10,000 high-quality, ready-to-print, premium coloring pages. Just imagine trying to draw 10,000 pages by hand. It is a massive, staggering volume of content packed into a single downloadable file.
And what exactly is on these 10,000 pages? Well, the listing details an incredibly diverse range of illustrations. We're talking animals, mandalas, nature scenes, fantasy environments, inspirational quotes, and really intricate patterns. The source material highlights that these include both complex designs and simple illustrations, specifically noting they're designed for relaxation, stress relief, and creative expression for both kids and adults. It's essentially an entire library of therapeutic art, all packaged up and ready to go.
All right, Section 3, the print-on-demand playbook. Let's break down the business model here.
To really understand the buyer, we've got to look at how Elvanto Digital categorizes this item. They place it under POD, or print on demand. The site defines this as unique, ready-to-print designs for your business. And that right there is the foundational key. The target audience here isn't just someone who really loves to color on a Sunday afternoon. We're talking about self-publishers, educators, and digital entrepreneurs who are actively looking for inventory.
And this brilliantly illustrates the exact intended business flow. It's essentially a three-step monetization engine. Step 1, the buyer downloads these high-resolution, print-ready files, which, by the way, come in professional formats like AI, PNG, PSD, and PDF. Step 2, they take these raw assets and compile them to create their own unique, physical or printable products. So maybe they combine 50 mandalas into a weekend relaxation book. And then Step 3, they sell those newly packaged products on major platforms like Amazon, KDP, Etsy, and Shopify. So you see, this listing isn't just selling art, it's literally selling the raw materials for an automated publishing business.
Which brings us to Section 4, exploring Elvanto Digital. Let's take a look at the marketplace ecosystem as a whole. When we zoom out and look at the site's All Categories menu, a very clear picture emerges. You see things like PLR products, which stands for private label rights, meaning you can buy a product and legally claim you made it. You see Notion templates for organizing workflows and Reel bundles designed to boost social media engagement. This isn't a traditional store, guys. It is a bustling marketplace built entirely for modern digital entrepreneurship. It's basically a place that sells digital pickaxes to the people trying to mine for gold on the internet.
And finally, Section 5, pricing, promos, and reviews. Let's look at some of the fascinating checkout quirks.
The crucial point here is the pricing disparity. We just established that this is a massive 10,000-page business asset loaded with professional files. The original price listed, $5, and the current sale price, $2. That's a 60% discount. You are essentially buying the foundation for a print-on-demand publishing empire for less than the cost of a cup of coffee. The sheer volume of content compared to this rock-bottom price point is just staggering. But wait, it gets better. Right in the middle of this listing, nestled right near the Add to Cart button for our $2 coloring book bundle, is this quote, "Apple shopping event. Hurry and get discounts on all Apple devices up to 20%. I mean, it's completely out of place. It's this bizarre, honestly kind of hilarious promo banner that feels like it dropped in from a completely different universe, just sitting there on a page selling bulk digital coloring pages. It really highlights the slightly wild, cobbled-together nature of these niche storefronts.
And this all builds into the final piece of the puzzle, the reviews, or actually, the complete lack of them. Despite the massive content scale, again, 10,000 pages, in that practically free $2 price tag, this product currently has absolutely zero customer reviews. Every single metric, from 5 stars all the way down to 1 star, sits at a flat 0. There are ratings for value for money, durability, and delivery speed, but not a single customer has left a word of feedback. It is an absolute ghost town at the bottom of the page.
Which leaves us with this final, pretty provocative thought. In a Wild West digital marketplace where confusingly titled 10,000-page business bundles are sold for just $2, sit next to random Apple promos, and generate exactly zero public feedback, what is the true value of a digital asset? Is it the art itself, the potential business it can generate, or is it just an illusion of value in the modern digital hustle? It's definitely something to think about the next time you're scrolling through a digital marketplace. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer. Keep learning, and I'll catch you next time.